Namaste everyone, welcome to this 21 days yoga challenge. I along with my colleague Kishan Lekwer welcome you and highest gratitude to you for joining this challenge. Let's get started. Okay, so अब हम इस तरह बैठ जाएंगे. This is called दंडासना. So इसमें आपकी बॉडी बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए. आपके जो टोज हैं वो बिल्कुल एक्टिव होने चाहिए. आपकी बॉडी बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट, कॉलर बोन लिफ्टेड अप. आप अपने दोनों हाथों को हिप्स के साथ में लगा दीजिए और अपनी स्पाइन को थोड़ा ऊपर खींचिए ताकि आपकी स्पाइन पूरी एल शेप में सीधी हो जाए. और यहाँ पे आप लंबी 5 सांसें लीजिए. इनहेल ओम 1, ओम 2, ओम 3, ओम 4, ओम 5 एंड रिलीज. सो आपने इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन करना है. सो मैं हर पोस्चर में वील काउंट 5. नाउ यहाँ से हम एंकल रोटेशन करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे एक्सहेल एंड स्लोली स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग योर एंकल्स. Start rotating your ankles. We'll do it for 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise. अपनी breath को normal रखिए. Very good. So 5 rounds done. Now the anti-clockwise. Keep breathing at the same time. Phenomenal breath. 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now change. अब यहीं से we're going to hug our right knee. We're going to hug our right knee. Make sure आपकी spine straight है, collarbone lifted up है, आपका left toe active है. और यहाँ से now your right leg, your right knee goes straight, toes pointing up and exhale down. Once again we'll do it for 5 rounds. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Last time. Inhale. Exhale down. Now from here we'll do the knee rotation for the 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Making sure you're breathing throughout. याद रखिएगा, इट इज़ नॉट योगा अगर आप ब्रीद नहीं कर रहे हैं, अगर आप सांस साथ के साथ नहीं ले रहे हैं. आपको किसी भी मूवमेंट पे सांस नहीं रोकना. जब अगर ऐसा होगा, आई विल गिव यू कमांड्स. वेरी गुड. फ्रॉम हियर नाउ 5 राउंड्स ऑफ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. वी हैव डन 5 राउंड्स क्लॉकवाइज. नाउ वी आर डूइंग 5 राउंड्स ऑफ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सांस लेते रहिए एज आई कीप सेइंग दिस. 1 more round and relax. Thank you so much. Now we'll do this with the left now. So hugging your left knee and once again making sure your right toes are active. Spine is straight, collarbone is lifted up. Now inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Third time, up and down. Up and down. Now last time, up, down. Now from here once again the knee rotations. 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Good. Keep breathing. Good. Very good. This goes the 5th round. Now the anti-clockwise. Once again making sure they are slow and complete movements. आपको एक बड़ा से बड़ा जीरो बनाना है यहाँ पे. Very good. This goes our 4th round, 5th and relax. Take a deep breath. Breathe. यहीं से आप बैठे रहिए, सांस लीजिए, लंबी सांस. फिर से दंडासना कीजिए. Engaging your core, engaging your thighs, toes are active. Deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. One more deep breath. Inhale. Exhale completely. From here we'll go to our second movement. Now up facing towards the camera. Now we'll do the butterfly. So butterfly में आपका एक मुट्ठी जितना डिफरेंस होना चाहिए आपके पैरों और ग्रोइन मसल्स में। इनको आप पीछे लेके आइए, पीछे लेके आइए। मेक श्योर स्पाइन इज स्ट्रेटर, योर कॉलरबोन इज लिफ्टेड अप, you catch hold of your toes here. From here you start doing these movements up and down, up and down, and keep breathing at the same time. The phenomenal breath. Breathe, breathe. Two more deep breaths. Breathe. One more deep breath. Breathe and release. Very good. Change. Now from here we'll sit in a Sukhasana. Simple chaunkdi ko baithe hue we call it as Sukhasana. Now from here our left hand go towards the right knee. Our right hand goes back. Make sure your spine is straighter. You're looking up and above your shoulders. You twist and you take a deep breath 5 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, one last inhale, exhale completely. Very good. And now from here we'll do the same thing on the opposite side 5 times. So your right hand go towards the left knee, your left hand goes back. Make sure your spine is up. आप उंगलियों को उठा भी सकते हैं so that your spine goes more and more up. You're looking up and above your shoulder. And let's start breathing. Om 1, Om 2, third round, Om 3, Om 4. Try to twist more and more here. Om 5 and release, 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 release. Take a deep breath. Now change from here. Let's go to the Malasana. So from here, the Malasana mein make sure your spine is straighter. Your spine is straighter. Collarbone is lifted up. आप अपनी knees को अंदर कीजिए और knees से अपनी elbows को अंदर कीजिए और knees को push कीजिए. Knees को push कीजिए. Try and open up your hips here. From here, join your palms together in Namaskar to your heart chakra. And यहाँ पे let's take a 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5 and release, release, release. यहाँ से फिर से आके एक बार चौकड़ी में बैठ जाइए, चौकड़ी में बैठ जाइए. Now we'll do the neck rotations here. Neck rotation. From here आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी knees पे रहेंगे. From here inhale your start rotating your neck here. Start rotating your neck in a slow and a complete movement here. अपनी आंखों को खुला ही रखें ताकि आपको वर्टिगो, आपको चक्कर ना आए. सांस नॉर्मल रखिए. याद रखिए, मैं फिर दोहरा रहा हूँ, ये योगा नहीं है if you're not breathing. The movement has to be synced with your breath throughout. Very good. So this goes our 4th round. Good. Last time. 5th. Now the anti-clockwise. We have done the clockwise movements. Now we're doing the anti-clockwise movements. Once again, we'll do it for the 5 times. Keep breathing. Good. One last time. And release, release, release. Now change. So now we'll go for our last movement or last asana. It is called child's pose. So from here, we call this as a Shashank asana, rabbit pose or a child's pose. यहाँ पे कोशिश कीजिए आपके हील बटक्स पे टच करें. अपनी बॉडी को इतना पीछे लेके जाइए और अपने सिर आपका अगर जमीन पे लगता है ठीक है, नहीं तो anyways it's all fine. So take a 5 deep breaths here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, 4, 5, and release. And slowly come up, slowly come up. तो आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. हमारी bodies are ready. We have done the hook step. So let's get to today's theme. So from here, यहाँ से आप अपने navel पे आ जाइए. Navel पे आ जाइए. Now your palms comes underneath the shoulders. आप पीछे से अपने पैरों को इकट्ठे जोड़िए. From here we'll do up and down movement and then we'll hold a posture Bhujangasana for a 5 deep breaths here. So from here, inhale your body up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now last time here, inhale up and hold it. Roll your shoulders back and try and look as back as possible, taking a 5 deep breaths here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, लंबी गहरी सांस. Om 5 and exhale and release the posture. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale completely. Now from here we move on to the second posture. Now Shalabhasana variation. So यहाँ से आप अपनी चिन को फ्लैट कीजिए. चिन को फ्लैट कीजिए. पाम्स को लेके जाइए अपनी थाइस के साथ में. So thighs. From here we'll do back and forth movement up and down और उसके बाद हम posture को होल्ड करेंगे. तो यहाँ से inhale up, exhale completely. From here, let's move on to the third posture, Dhanurasana. So bend your knees and catch hold of your ankles here. We're once again going to do back and forth movement and then eventually we're going to hold a posture. So from here, take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale completely. Now inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last time, take a deep breath. Inhale up and hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, one more, Om 5 and release. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale completely. यहाँ से let's move on to the fourth. उसके लिए सेतुबंध आसना. From here now please come on your back. From my navel, come on your back. Take a deep breath here. We'll do back and forth movement. Once again hip को उठाएंगे और नीचे करेंगे upper thrust and then we're going to hold. So your hands relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale completely. Your foot get more closer to your buttocks. Now from here, inhale your hips up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Take a deep breath. Now inhale up and hold here. And hold. यहाँ से fingers को interlock कीजिए और shoulder को roll कीजिए. So all your body weight come towards the shoulder. You're able to raise your hip more and more up. Take a 5 deep breaths here. Om 1. Om 2. Om 3. Om 4. One more. Om 5. And release, coming to the center. Take a deep breath. You can hug your knees here towards your chest and go from left to right just to release the tension from your lower back, from your spine. Go from left to right, right to left, left to right. Now let's do forward and back movement. So forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Last time forward, and from here let's move on to our fifth posture, which is puppy pose. So यहाँ से all four position में आ जाइए, all four position में आ जाइए. Now the thing is, we have to get our chin and chest flat on the ground. Chin and chest flat on the ground. You have to raise your hump up, so just like a puppy. That's why it's called puppy pose. So from here, take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, your chin down, your chest down. And come up, inhale and come up. From here, please go to child's pose and relax. You can widen your knees, and your body comes in between and relax here. Take a deep breath. And take a deep breath. Inhale and slowly come up. Now from here, please come on your knees here for the sixth posture. So for here, you might require a block. तो आप अपने blocks को अपने पैरों के बिल्कुल साथ में रख दीजिए, facing towards each other. So from here, so we're gonna do Ushtasana or the camel pose in English. So यहाँ से आपको पहले warm up करना होगा अपनी back का. So दोनों hands आपके hips पे. So from here, just push the hip forward and take a deep breath here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Completely slowly come up. So from here, we are ready for Ushtasana, our sixth posture. So take a deep breath. So we're going to catch hold of the block. अगर आप पैर पकड़ सकते हैं तो पैर पकड़ेंगे, otherwise आप block को पकड़ेंगे. So how? You're going to push the hip forward. Now swing your right arm, catch hold of the right heel or the brick as you feel like. From here, swing your left arm, go as back as possible, catch hold of your heel or the brick, and from here push the hip forward and hold this posture for the 5 deep breaths here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, one more, Om 5. Swing your left arm first, then swing your right arm, and from here come to the child's pose once again. You can widen your knees. You can widen your knees and your body comes in between just to give you extra relaxation. Take a deep breath here. Inhale, Exhale completely. From here we move on to our last posture की तरफ अग्रसर होते हैं. यहाँ से आप माउंटेन पर्वतासना में आएंगे. पर्वतासना, नीज को उठाइए, हिप्स को उठाइए, वी शेप में आइए. पर्वतासना में माउंटेन पोजीशन में टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ हियर. Get your head more in, away from the shoulders. यहाँ से start crawling forward. अपनी knees को straight रखिएगा, अपनी elbows को straight रखिएगा. Start walking forward. Start walking forward. Walking forward, 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 forward. आगे की तरफ देखिए, spine को सीधा कीजिए. From here, extension of the arms, extension of the arms. Inhale up, and from here Hastottanasana, take a deep breath, and we're going to hold here. Inhale goes back, and hold here for 5 deep breaths here. Our last posture. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, hip को आगे push कीजिए. Om 4, one more. Om 5, and inhale your arms up and relax. Take a deep breath, your feet apart, chest open, हथेलियाँ बिल्कुल ढीली. फील कीजिए अपने ब्रेथ को, महसूस कीजिए. Exhale completely. So यहाँ से before we go for a Shavasana, our closing rituals, बैठ जाइए. आइए अब हम अपने आखिरी दौर की तरफ अग्रसर होते हैं. So इसमें we'll do कपाल भारती and Shavasana. Exhale completely. Now inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and exhale completely. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Slow down your heartbeat, slow down your palpitations. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. अब आप यहीं से अपनी आंखों को बंद रखते हुए slowly stretch your legs out and go for a Shavasana here. So without making too much of a noise, without keeping your eyes open, slowly roll back to Shavasana. In Shavasana, your feet apart, your palms at 45-degree angle, all your body weight towards the ground, especially your lower back towards the ground. And now हम यहाँ पे 5 गिनती करेंगे उल्टी, from 5 to 0. Inhalation and exhalation, your abdomen and chest lifts up. You mentally count 5. It goes down, you count 5. Inhalation up 4, down 4, up 3, down 3, up 2, down 2, up 1, down 1, up 0, down 0, and relax. Now from here, slowly join your feet together. Arms behind your neck, interlocking your fingers, giving a nice stretch to your body, lengthening up your spine, extending your toes, extending your arms, and stretch, 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 stretch. Big exhalation from around. From here, go towards the right side and slowly come up and sit up. Sit up. Joining your palms together in Namaskar. Bow to the Mother Earth, to the universe. Shanti. 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 Slowly eyes open. Thank you so much.